Game 3 ng UAAP Finals between LaSalle at UP. Sa unang dalawang laro, parehas one-sided. So ang hirap ma-predict kung anong posible na mangyari sa game na to. Pero may mga napansin ako ng mga tema sa mga games na baka maging factor rin sa game na to. Yung tema na yon ay yung pace. Napansin ko sa first game na disrupt ng UP yung flow ng LaSalle and forced them to commit 18 turnovers. Pero nung game 2 naman, LaSalle naman yung nag-control ng pace with their offensive rebounding. So kumbaga yung first 2 games ng series na to parang quits lang and parang back to zero. So sa game na to, first 2 points ng laro ay galing sa drive ni Escandor na na-generate dahil sa last game niya kasi na mainit siya sa labas. So dito makikita natin na naka-go over ang UP sa side ball screen na to, giving up the drive. First 2 points naman ng UP, good defense na naging easy offense after this Diouf rim run. And that's the UP special. Dito sa play na to, Torres kay KQ, square lang siya defensively, forcing KQ to be an east-west player instead na downhill attacker. So again, good defense, nag-capitalize ang UP sa transition, Francis Lopez rim run, 2 points. And speaking of specials, dito naman sa LaSalle, offensive rebound, quick open 3-pointer, parang nung last game lang. Ito yung naging game changer last game. Now ito, bago to from LaSalle. Smaller guy kay KQ and LaSalle finally doing post-ups para kay KQ. Ngayon, napwersa ang UP na magpadala ng help kasi sobrang mismatch nito. This is a bad double team pero nice read galing sa LaSalle. Iniskip pass kagad nila papunta sa weak side corner and open corner 3 na naman. Natapos ang first quarter sa score na 22-21 lamang ang LaSalle. Advantage nila dito ay yung 3-pointers nila. Naka-4 sila compared sa 0 ng UP. Second quarter, this is a nice double screen set from UP para malagay si Cancino sa catch and go situation. Which is hindi ganong nangyari last game. Ito, simple lang pero nalalagay sa spot. One dribble, basket. For UP, again, yung transition game nila. Sa LaSalle, kahit nung game 1 pa, hindi talaga pulido yung cross-matching nila sa transition minsan. And nice find again from Maymay, papunta kay Diouf. Dito naman LaSalle spread pick and roll. Poor defense from Alarcon here. Bakit? Kasi as the weak side defender, you're supposed to tag the roller here para ma-delay yung roll ni Phillips at bigyan ng time si Diouf makarecover sa drop niya. Nakita ni Nelly yon at pinasa niya kagad kay Phillips habang hindi pa nakaka-recover si Diouf. At kung makikita nyo si Diouf dito, nagba-backpedal, wala pa sa tamang posisyon. Ang sagot naman ng UP, pick and roll din pero empty side naman. Ang purpose naman ng empty side ball screen is to remove strong side help. Dito, nice spacing from UP. Yung backside ng LaSalle was a little bit too small para kay Diouf. So, inangat na lang yung bola. 2 points. Natapos ang first half sa score na 43-39 lamang ang UP. Napansin ko sa UP, much better ball movement kumpara sa last game. Sa first half na to, 11 out of their 16 field goals were assisted. And that's good. Third quarter, it was the UAAP MVP. Quick 5 straight points from Kevin Kiambao. Tapos sinundan naman ng floater ni Evan Nelly and this nice dish to Policarpio pagkatapos ng angle pick and pop nila. Diouf was just standing there and hindi nakapag-contest na maayos, so dahil sa 3 points sa to, nagsimula ng malipat ng momentum sa side ng LaSalle. And again, Evan Nelly with the find. And though UP, they had a decent quarter pero most of their baskets kasi came from one-on-one plays. 2 points pa rin naman pero watching this game kasi mararamdaman mo talaga na yung LaSalle nasa kanila yung momentum and UP was chasing. Like tingnan nyo rito, same play pero hindi nakapag-convert si Alarcon. Sagot ng LaSalle is a nice pressure release to give Nelly a drive to the basket. Natapos ang third quarter sa score na 58-55 lamang ang UP ng 3. Fourth quarter, binuksan ng UP with a CJ Cancino 3-pointer after ng slip niya sa pitch pass. And then dito naman, nice reaction by Felicilda sa blitz. He kept his dribble alive, he went to the paint, defense collapses, extra pass to Diouf. For LaSalle naman, here's a nice step back 3 from Kevin Kiambao. Grabe talaga development niya with the ball recently. And Evan Nelly, nag-alatay Riz Haliburton. Nakadrop si Diouf at the level, tapos si Cancino nag-go under sa screen, which was understandable kasi high ball screen to eh. Talagang grabbing shot making ability to from Nelly. Going back to KQ, ito yung mga play na dapat matutunan niyang makapag-take advantage. And for UP, again, just like last game, rattled. Hindi nagsisettle down, nagsisettle yung players instead sa mga rushed na shots. Here's a great block by KQ on Abadiano. Clutch block to. And again, speaking of rattled, So natapos ang laro sa score na 69-73. Composure and consistency ng Lasal ang biggest factor dito. Wala silang talagang big run na ginawa all game. Pero from first to fourth quarter, stable sila and hindi sila narattle sa pressure.